It's a beautiful sunny day and it's a perfect time to get those barbecues on and make something light, delicious, and actually quite easy. So I'm gonna make Thai roast chicken, or Thai barbecue chicken, or barbecue Thai chicken. So basically it's a really easy marinade. Takes a few seconds to make the marinade, and either you can put it on the barbecue, or today I am going to just roast it in the oven. And then once you've got everything in, it will cook itself in 40-45 minutes, and if you're making it on the barbecue, it might take a bit less or a bit more. I'm obviously using a ready Thai curry paste. You can use green Thai curry paste or red Thai curry paste. I'm using green today, and because mine one's really spicy, I'm going to use little. But if you are using a mild or a normal Thai curry paste, then please do add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the paste. So in a bowl, I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Spicy. A teaspoon of green Thai curry paste, half a teaspoon of salt, a small handful of fresh coriander leaves. Now my Thai curry is really spicy, so I'm only adding a teaspoon. But if yours is a milder one, then add a bit more for sure. Right, mix it all up. And it's the easiest, delicious marinade for your chicken. So here I have got 6 chicken thighs, and I am just going to marinate them in this lovely marinade. And then I'm going to let it rest in the fridge. You can do this overnight, but I'm only going to leave it for half an hour today. I'm going to bake this in a hot 200°C oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the chicken is cooked. The chicken is beautifully cooked and it looks and smells amazing. So I have got half a cabbage here, and to this I'm going to add 2 carrots grated and 1 red onion thinly sliced, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard and 4 tablespoons of mayo, and then just give it a good mix. And there we are. This is just so beautiful. So obviously you can just put it on the barbecue, and this is absolutely great. But right now my barbecue isn't on, so I'm just made it in the oven. And the best bit is to taste it. Oh, smells awesome, absolutely amazing. And to have it with some coleslaw. Oh. This is what I love about summer food. For me, one of the best things when it's nice and hot in the summer, spring, when you want to make some light food, is this amazing coleslaw. This chicken is fantastic and is great on the barbecue. and combined, served with this coleslaw, it is fantastic. And I really do hope you're going to give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another brand new recipe. Bye for now. Oh, by the way, you can do this marinade with some nice big king prawns as well.